Welcome to our Black+Decker portable washer showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison of two fantastic portable washing machines, the BPW-M09W and the BPW-M16W. Both models are designed for convenience and efficiency, but they cater to different needs. Let's find out which one suits you best. When it comes to capacity, the BPW-M09W offers a compact 0.9 cu fort space, making it ideal for small loads and limited spaces. In contrast, the BPW-M16W boasts a larger 1.7 cu fort capacity, allowing you to wash more laundry at once. This difference can significantly impact your laundry routine, especially if you have a larger household or frequently wash bulky items. The BPW-M09W features 5 wash cycles, including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, which are suitable for various laundry needs. On the other hand, the BPW-M16W offers an additional cycle, bringing its total to 6, including normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only. This variety allows for more tailored washing experiences, especially for delicate fabrics or larger loads. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase. The BPW-M09W is priced at $249, making it an affordable option for those on a budget or with limited laundry needs. Meanwhile, the BPW-M16W comes in at $309, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. It's essential to weigh these costs against your laundry requirements to determine the best value for your money. In conclusion, both the Black+Decker BPW-M09W and BPW-M16W have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a compact, budget-friendly washer, the BPW-M09W is an excellent choice. However, if you need more capacity and versatility, the BPW-M16W is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.